Welcome to today's video. What if I told you that a simple drink could boost your health in 8 amazing ways, all while you sleep? In this video, we're diving into the powerful health benefits of turmeric water, a golden elixir used for centuries in ancient traditions and modern health regimens. By the end, you'll not only learn how to make it perfectly, but also discover how this nighttime ritual can support everything from reducing inflammation to improving brain function, digestion, and more. Plus, we'll share pro tips on how to boost its flavor and maximize its effectiveness. Ready to unlock the potential of turmeric? Stick around and let's get started. Let's begin with one of the most significant benefits of turmeric, its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. This is especially important for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. The active compound in turmeric, known as curcumin, has been extensively researched for its role in maintaining healthy blood glucose levels. Curcumin works by improving insulin sensitivity, which allows your body to use insulin more efficiently and, in turn, helps regulate blood sugar. Several studies have demonstrated curcumin's positive effects on blood glucose management. One study published in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism found that individuals who incorporated curcumin into their diet experienced reduced fasting blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity. This means their bodies became better at utilizing insulin to process glucose, leading to more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Curcumin also inhibits certain enzymes that convert carbohydrates into glucose, slowing down the process of sugar entering the bloodstream. By drinking turmeric water regularly, you may help reduce fluctuations in blood sugar, which is crucial for maintaining stable glucose levels throughout the day. Next up is brain health, and turmeric plays a powerful role here too. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been widely studied for its neuroprotective effects. It has been shown to improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and may even help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. One of the ways curcumin benefits brain health is by increasing levels of a key protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF supports the growth of new neurons and helps your brain form new connections, which is essential for memory and learning. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to cognitive decline and disorders like depression and Alzheimer's. By drinking turmeric water regularly, you can naturally boost your BDNF levels and promote better brain function. A study published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that participants who took curcumin supplements over 18 months experienced a 28% improvement in memory and attention compared to those taking a placebo. In addition, brain scans of the curcumin group showed lower levels of amyloid and tau proteins, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Furthermore, curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties protect brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to cognitive decline. A review published in Advances in Experimental Medicine and Biology noted that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and reduce neuroinflammation, potentially lowering the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's. Let's now explore how turmeric can support mental health, particularly in reducing anxiety and depression. Anxiety and depression are often linked to chemical imbalances in the brain, particularly in neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These feel-good chemicals play a critical role in regulating mood, and research has shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, may help improve their levels. Curcumin has been studied for its potential antidepressant and anti-anxiety effects. A study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that curcumin supplementation significantly increased levels of serotonin and dopamine in individuals with major depressive disorder. These neurotransmitters are vital for emotional well-being, and their increase contributes to mood stabilization and the reduction of anxiety. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties also play a key role in mental health. Chronic inflammation in the brain can contribute to both anxiety and depression. By reducing inflammation, curcumin helps protect the brain from stress-related damage. In fact, a review published in Phytotherapy Research highlighted curcumin's ability to reduce the symptoms of depression by lowering inflammation markers like C-reactive protein and increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports neuron health and growth. Another study, published in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology, found that individuals taking curcumin experienced a noticeable reduction in anxiety symptoms compared to those on a placebo. These results suggest that curcumin may be a natural supportive tool for managing both anxiety and depression over time. 4. Supports liver health. Our liver is a true workhorse, constantly filtering out toxins and supporting countless bodily functions. To keep your liver functioning at its best, turmeric can be an excellent ally. The antioxidants in turmeric, especially curcumin and turmerone, help the liver in two critical ways. They assist in detoxifying by neutralizing harmful free radicals and promoting the regeneration of liver cells. Curcumin is particularly effective due to its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. By fighting oxidative stress, curcumin helps protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins, alcohol, and even medications. This antioxidant protection can be vital for preventing long-term liver conditions, such as fatty liver disease. Turmeric also promotes bile production, which plays a major role in fat digestion. Bile helps your body break down fats and absorb nutrients, and having an efficient bile flow means your liver can process toxins more easily. Improved bile flow supports better digestion, reduces fat buildup in the liver, and ultimately aids in its detoxification efforts. 5. Relieves joint pain. Turmeric has long been celebrated for its powerful ability to relieve inflammation and pain, especially when it comes to the joints. If you struggle with arthritis or joint discomfort, turmeric could be a natural and effective remedy. Its most well-known compound, curcumin, is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can work wonders for reducing swelling and easing stiffness. Curcumin blocks certain enzymes and proteins that trigger inflammation in the body, making it a great option for those dealing with conditions like arthritis. In fact, many people find that incorporating turmeric water into their routine helps reduce joint pain, allowing them to move more freely and comfortably throughout the day. By drinking turmeric water regularly, you may notice that your joints feel less stiff, especially in the mornings when discomfort can be the worst. Turmeric's ability to reduce inflammation can also improve your overall mobility and, importantly, help you sleep more comfortably at night by minimizing pain flare-ups. Turmeric water is a natural, gentle way to support joint health without relying on over-the-counter pain relievers. While it's not a cure for arthritis, it can certainly complement other treatments and lifestyle changes. So if you're looking for a natural way to relieve joint pain, a warm cup of turmeric water could be just what you need. 6. Boosts immunity. Let's move on to one of turmeric's most powerful benefits, its ability to boost your immune system. While curcumin often steals the spotlight, turmeric has more to offer when it comes to supporting your body's defenses. Compounds like turmerone and gingerol, found naturally in turmeric, are packed with antioxidants that help protect your immune system and keep you feeling your best. Antioxidants play a vital role in neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage your cells and weaken your immune response. By drinking turmeric water regularly, you're introducing a powerful dose of these antioxidants into your system. This can help your body fend off infections, support healthy immune function, and improve your resilience against common illnesses like colds and flu. In addition to fighting free radicals, gingerol, a compound also found in ginger and turmeric, has natural anti-inflammatory properties. This helps reduce chronic inflammation, which is known to weaken the immune system over time. Keeping inflammation in check is key to maintaining a strong immune response, so turmeric water can act as a natural shield to support your body's overall health. 7. Improves digestion. Let's explore how turmeric can do wonders for your digestive system. Whether you're dealing with occasional bloating, indigestion, or want to support overall gut health, turmeric might be the natural remedy you need. One of turmeric's key benefits for digestion lies in its ability to stimulate bile production. Bile is a fluid produced by the liver that helps your body break down fats more efficiently. By increasing bile production, turmeric makes it easier for your digestive system to process fatty foods, reducing the chances of discomfort after meals. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, also helps reduce inflammation in the gut. Chronic inflammation in the digestive tract can lead to various disorders, including irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties soothe the gut lining, potentially easing symptoms like bloating, cramping, and gas. This makes turmeric water a fantastic natural aid for anyone dealing with digestive disorders or looking to improve overall gut health. Sipping on a warm cup of turmeric water not only helps with digestion, but can also prepare your stomach for a more restful night. By soothing your digestive system, you're giving your body a chance to rest and recover, making turmeric water a perfect addition to your evening routine. 8. Improves erectile dysfunction. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about how turmeric may help improve erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is often linked to poor blood flow and nerve damage, both of which turmeric might help improve. Compounds in turmeric like turmerone and xanthrazole have been shown to relax smooth muscles and increase circulation. By relaxing the blood vessels and improving blood flow, these compounds could potentially enhance the body's ability to maintain erections. Additionally, turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help with nerve regeneration, which could further support healthy sexual function. While research is still ongoing, turmeric's potential to naturally improve blood flow and promote nerve health could be a game changer for those looking for natural support for erectile dysfunction. Incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine may offer an additional layer of support to complement other treatments. How to make turmeric water. 2 easy methods. Here are 2 simple recipes to enjoy turmeric water at home. Method 1. Using turmeric powder. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 cups of water. Instructions: boil the water, add turmeric, and simmer for 5 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Method 2. Using fresh turmeric root. Ingredients: 1 fresh turmeric root, about 2 inches long, 2 cups water. Instructions: grate the turmeric root, boil the water, add the grated turmeric, and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Pro tip: add a dash of black pepper or a small amount of healthy fat like coconut oil. These enhance curcumin absorption, making your turmeric water even more effective. Remember, while turmeric has amazing health benefits, it's not a replacement for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor if you're managing any health conditions or taking medication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this golden elixir. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.